In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Discord tag. In 2025, Discord still assigns every account a tag with 4-digit number after your username, like user number 1234, but many people want a cleaner username without that extra tag. Removing your Discord tag isn't as simple as deleting it, since Discord uses it for unique identification. But there are a couple of legit ways to make your username look clean. Let's have a look at them. The first option is through Discord Nitro. With a Nitro subscription, Discord allows you to customize your username and tag. You can pick a simple username like your name and even change the discriminator, the number 000 part, to a number of your choice. If you're lucky, you can set it to something like number 0001 or even blend it with your name so it looks seamless. Without Nitro, you're stuck with the random tag assigned at sign up. The second option, which Discord introduced in its new username system, is the ability to claim a unique username when the feature rolls out to your account. This system is slowly replacing tags altogether. Once you've claimed a username under the system, your profile shows just your clean username, like at your name instead of your name number 1234. Keep in mind that availability is first come first serve, so you'll want to claim it quickly when the option appears. A quick workaround for those without Nitro is to use nicknames in servers. While your global tag stays the same, you can set your nickname per server by clicking Edit Server Profile. This way, people only see your nickname and not your full Discord tag. It's not a complete removal, but for most users, it achieves the clean look they want. Pro tip: if you're aiming for a professional or gaming brand, it's smart to subscribe to Nitro at least for a month just to secure your clean username before someone else takes it. Once logged in, you don't need to keep paying for Nitro unless you want extra perks like higher upload limits. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.